Hello everyone, CubeTheBube back again with another video. Today I'm at Carlisle Station. Carlisle Station sits on Perth's Armadale Line, quietly serving local commuters with two simple ground level platforms and a nearby level crossing. Under METRONET's Armadale Line transformation, this modest stop will be reborn as a state-of-the-art, fully elevated facility. And as you can see, it is fully elevated. Today's Carlisle Station offers basic shelters, steep ramps and no lifts, but now it has transformed. METRONET is addressing safety, capacity and connectivity across Perth rail network. On the Armadale Line, 5.5 km of track will rise above roads, eliminating 13 level crossings. Enhance safety by removing road rail conflict points will improve safety and reduce accidents. This station will provide supporting longer trains and more frequent services, lifts, escalators, and fully accessible concourse sections. Two wide platforms under full-length canopies, which is this, so if it's raining, you will not get wet whatsoever. And integrating lighting, CCTV, and intuitive wayfinding. Ample sheltered bicycle parking and improved footpaths. So under this, you can see that they might plan to put something underneath. And also, obviously, public toilets is a must. So they've demolished. Obviously, there is an event happening. I'm filming this on Anzac Day. Okay, I'm so confused. Anyways, at Carlisle, retaining walls are in place, temporary bus interchanges operate nearby, and fencing guards pedestrian safely around works. So these are the fences, so I cannot get in, obviously. It's pretty dangerous to get in. And the lights are on, which is so funny. No test trains are in service right now. And also, there's many entrance and exit points. So that's the main entrance. That one is the secondary entrance, because I can see that there's a few stairs leading up to the station. So that's pretty cool, actually. Skip the concourse. Oh my goodness, there's like probably a sport event going on. Oh, okay, anyways, as we walk down, I will film Oat Street next. Julian has done an in-depth video on these stations. Okay, do they mind? No. Okay, anyways, there's electrified lines going down, so test trains on a normal weekday. Oh, there's site security, dear. Maybe we should go to the sidewalk or the path, because test trains on a normal day, on a normal weekday, will go on this, and it's opening on June 8th. I'll be on the VIP train, and obviously sticker event will be happening. If you join our Discord, you're invited to the sticker event, and if you're not in the Discord, you'll probably be confused, so that's a good excuse to join our Discord and keep in touch. Okay, anyways, let's describe this. So, you see that part? That is a metal thing that runs along the viaduct, which has patterns, little metal holes. If I can zoom. So they put some holes inside the metal to make a nice pattern. And also on the actual viaduct itself, it is painted green and it's dark colors. Also, obviously, this will not be done. This is not done. It will only be fully finished on at least June 5. Yeah. So rail replacement buses are obviously happening. So as you can see, this platform will accommodate 6 car trains, but I think they're planning to run A series of at least a maximum of 4 car A series, but occasionally they just might run a 6 car, but right now they cannot because of Vic Park. This has to run from Vic Park. Okay, a lot of bystanders. Anyways, that's it for this video. I got a new outro, so let me say that now. Subscribe to Julian Transport 91, Perth Trainer Bus, and CubeTheBube Transport. Make sure to follow Instagrams, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!